Hello and a very warm welcome to all you fellow explorers of science, dreamers, and knowledge seekers. Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey, a quest for discovery that will take us to the heart of our planet's most precious resource? Today, we're on a quest for something essential, something vital to life as we know it. Earth's fresh water, the lifeblood of our ecosystems, the foundation of our civilizations. This vital liquid is often hidden in surprising places, tucked away in the most unexpected corners of our world. So put on your thinking caps, adjust your explorer hats, let's start our exploration. It's time to unlock the secrets of freshwater. Our planet looks like a stunning blue marble from space, a swirling canvas of clouds and oceans. That's because it's covered in water, vast expanses of it stretching across the globe. But here's a secret, a little-known fact that changes everything. Most of that water, the vast majority in fact, isn't the kind we can readily use. It's salty ocean water, the kind that makes up our seas and oceans. It's great for whales, dolphins, and all sorts of marine life, but definitely not ideal for our tea or for watering our gardens. We need fresh water, the kind that flows in rivers, sits in lakes, and hides beneath our feet. So think of yourselves as water detectives, intrepid investigators on a crucial mission. Our mission: uncover the real story of fresh water on Earth to understand its journey and its importance. Where does it come from? What are the sources of this precious resource? Where does it go? What happens to fresh water as it travels through our world? And most importantly, why is it so incredibly important to us, to our planet, and to the future of life on Earth? Science loves big questions. They lead to big discoveries, to breakthroughs that change the way we see the world. Are you with me on this exciting quest? Excellent, I knew I could count on you. So let's dive into the fascinating world of H2O, the molecule that makes it all possible. We'll look at the numbers, analyze the data, and understand the statistics that govern our water resources. We'll explore the natural cycles, the intricate processes that keep our fresh water flowing, and we'll check out clever inventions, the innovative technologies that are helping us conserve and protect this vital resource. Understanding freshwater is key to truly understanding and ultimately protecting our planet, ensuring a sustainable future for all. So let's go explore the wonders of freshwater, uncover its secrets, and appreciate its beauty. The adventure begins now. Let's dive in and make a splash. Let's talk numbers. Imagine all the water on Earth as one giant droplet. Our planet is about 71% covered in water, almost 3/4 of the surface. But here's the catch. About 97% is salt water. That's the water in our oceans, full of salt and minerals. Great for swimming, but not for drinking. Only about 3% of all Earth's water is freshwater. If all the Earth's water filled a massive bathtub, the freshwater would only fill a couple of small bottles. And even within that 3%, most isn't easy to get to. Much is locked away in ice or deep underground. The amount we can actually use for drinking, farming, and washing is even smaller. It's like a tiny, precious drop in a vast ocean. That's why understanding freshwater is so important. Every drop counts. Let's see where this precious water is hiding. So where is this precious 3% of fresh water stored? Not in your kitchen tap. The largest portion, about 2/3, is frozen in glaciers and ice caps. Think Antarctica and Greenland. Giant frozen savings accounts for fresh water. Most of this water is out of reach, though some melts and feeds rivers. The rest, much is hidden underground as groundwater. Imagine vast underground lakes and rivers soaking through soil and rock. People dig wells to access this vital resource. But we must use it wisely. The smallest amount is what we see. Lakes, rivers, and wetlands, surface water. It's the easiest to access, but also the most vulnerable to pollution and drying up. These visible sources are super important and super delicate. Protecting them is crucial. Now, let's find out how much of this water we can actually use. Every drop in these places matters. Let's keep searching. Onward, water detectives. Only 3% of Earth's water is fresh, and much of that is frozen or deep underground. So how much can humans actually use? Less than 1% of all the water on Earth is easily accessible fresh water. That tiny amount has to quench the thirst of billions, grow our food, and power our industries. It's mainly found in rivers, lakes, and shallow groundwater aquifers. But this water isn't evenly spread out. Some places have plenty, others are deserts. It's a geographical lottery. So while our planet looks blue, usable water is scarce and precious. Managing water wisely is one of the most important things we can do. It's not just water, it's life. And there's not as much as you might think. Let's see how nature keeps this tiny supply moving. Every drop is vital. Let's learn how the cycle works. Ready for the next step? Let's go. Time for some amazing science! We're about to dive into one of the most fundamental processes on our planet. It's Earth's original recycling system, the water cycle, a continuous loop that sustains life as we know it. This cycle moves water all around the planet, ensuring that this precious resource is distributed far and wide. It's a global phenomenon that connects every ecosystem. It's not just about moving water, it's about cleaning and renewing our supplies. The water cycle naturally purifies water, making it safe and usable for all living things. First, up evaporation. This is where the magic begins as liquid water transforms into a gas. The sun heats oceans, providing the energy needed to kickstart the entire process. It also heats lakes and rivers, drawing water molecules upwards. This heat turns water into vapor, a process we call evaporation. It's like water disappearing into thin air. Water vapor rises into the atmosphere, carried by warm air currents, ready for the next stage of its journey. Plants also release water vapor, called transpiration. It's like they're breathing out water. As warm, moist air rises higher and higher, it cools. The higher you go, the colder it gets. As the air cools, water vapor condenses into tiny droplets or ice crystals. This is the opposite of evaporation. These droplets join together to form clouds, those fluffy white shapes we see in the sky. Clouds are essentially a massive collection of water bits floating in the sky, suspended by air currents. When clouds get too full and the water droplets become too heavy, we get precipitation. This precipitation can take many forms, like rain, snow, depending on the temperature. We also see sleet or hail, each with its own unique formation process. Eventually all that water lands on the ground, completing the atmospheric part of the cycle. Some of this water soaks in as groundwater, replenishing underground aquifers and reservoirs, and some flows into rivers and lakes, creating the surface water we rely on. Eventually, all this water makes its way back to the oceans, the starting point of our cycle. And with the oceans replenished, the cycle starts again. It's a never-ending process. This natural system keeps our freshwater supply going, ensuring we have the water we need to survive. It's nature's engineering at its best, a perfectly balanced system that has been working for billions of years. But humans have their own ways to recycle and find water too. We've developed technologies to manage and conserve this precious resource. Let's see how we help the cycle, how we contribute to keeping our water supply clean and sustainable. The journey continues. Stay curious, there's always more to learn about the amazing world around us. On to the next discovery. Let's keep exploring and uncovering the secrets of our planet. Nature's water cycle is fantastic, but humans are clever too. Water treatment plants clean used water, making it safe to return to rivers or even drink again. Greywater recycling lets us reuse water from showers and washing machines for gardens or toilets. This saves precious fresh water for when we really need it. Desalination removes salt from seawater, creating fresh water, especially useful in dry coastal regions. It's energy intensive, but technology is improving. Rainwater harvesting collects water from roofs for use around the home and garden. Some inventors are even building machines that pull water vapor from the air. Innovative solutions help us meet our water needs. Every bit of creativity counts. But even with these tools, water scarcity is a growing concern. Let's find out why. The challenge is real. Let's face it together. Fresh water is precious and limited, but why is water scarcity such a big issue now? First, our population is growing. More people means more demand for water. Second, climate change is shifting weather patterns. Some places get more floods, others face longer droughts. Glaciers and snowpacks are melting faster, disrupting steady water supplies. Overuse and pollution are also big problems. In some areas we pump out groundwater faster than it can be replaced. Rivers are overused, and pollution from industry and agriculture makes water unsafe. All these factors mean many parts of the world face serious water stress. Rivers dry up, lakes shrink, and farmers struggle. This isn't just an environmental problem, it affects people's lives and health. It's a global issue needing urgent attention, but there's hope we can all help. Let's see how. Solutions are within reach, let's take action. The situation is serious, but don't despair, we can make a difference. Start with water-saving habits. Turn off the tap, take shorter showers, fix leaks. Every drop counts. Smart technology helps too, like efficient irrigation for farms and water-saving appliances at home. Better planning and management are crucial. Governments and communities must protect rivers and groundwater, invest in good infrastructure, and share water fairly. Education is powerful. Learning about fresh water helps us value and protect it. Spreading awareness inspires everyone to become a water hero. Knowledge is power, especially for saving our planet. Together, we can protect this vital resource. Let's be water-wise, every action matters. The future is in our hands, let's lead the way. Ready to be a water hero? Let's do it! What an expedition! We've journeyed far and wide, haven't we? Witnessing the beauty and the fragility of our planet's most precious resource? We've explored Earth's water, from the vast oceans to the hidden underground springs. We've seen its power, its grace, and its vital role in sustaining all life. We've uncovered the secret of how little is fresh and usable, a mere fraction of the total water on our planet. It's a stark reminder of how crucial it is to protect what we have. And we've faced the challenges of scarcity, witnessing the devastating effects of drought and water shortages on communities and ecosystems around the globe. Fresh water is a true treasure, unique to our blue planet. A gift that sustains us, nourishes us, and connects us all. Water connects everything. It's the lifeblood of our planet, flowing through ecosystems, linking communities and shaping our world. From microbes, the tiniest organisms that form the base of the food chain, to whales, the majestic giants of the ocean, every living thing depends on water to survive. From food, the sustenance that fuels our bodies, to air, the very breath we take, water plays an indispensable role. Without clean, accessible fresh water, the foundation of our health and well-being crumbles. Life as we know it couldn't exist. The vibrant tapestry of ecosystems, the delicate balance of nature, all depend on this precious resource. It's not just something we use. It's not just a commodity. It's part of us. It sustains our bodies, nourishes our souls, and connects us to the natural world. As explorers and scientists, armed with knowledge and driven by curiosity, we have a responsibility to protect this vital resource. It's our duty to safeguard it for future generations. Our mission goes beyond learning. It's about action. It's about translating knowledge into tangible change. Be champions for water, raise awareness, advocate for change, and inspire others to join the cause. Use it wisely. Conserve water in your daily lives, adopt water-efficient practices, and reduce your water footprint. Support conservation. Advocate for policies that protect water resources, invest in water-saving technologies, and support organizations working to conserve water. Think of yourselves as guardians of the drop. Every drop counts, and every action matters. Share what you've learned. Educate your friends, family, and community about the importance of water conservation. Make smart choices every day. From turning off the tap while brushing your teeth to choosing reusable water bottles, every small action can make a big difference. Together, we can ensure Earth's fresh water sustains life for future explorers. Let's work together to create a world where everyone has access to clean, safe water. Because water is life. It's the essence of our existence, the foundation of our planet's health, and the key to a sustainable future. Protecting water means protecting our future. It's an investment in our planet, our communities, and our children's well-being. Science shows us the way. It provides the knowledge and tools we need to understand and address the challenges facing our water resources. It's up to us to follow. Let's use science to guide our actions and create a more sustainable future for all. Keep exploring, keep learning, keep protecting, keep advocating for the responsible use and conservation of our precious water resources, and keep making a difference. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a larger movement for change. The adventure continues. The journey to protect our planet's water is a lifelong pursuit, filled with challenges and opportunities. Go be a water hero. Embrace your role as a steward of our planet's most precious resource, and inspire others to do the same.